Ever found yourself scratching your noggin at those mind-bending AI images, pondering how in the world did they manage that digital sorcery? Well, buckle up, because you're about to morph into the Da Vinci of digital art. Picture this, you summoning breathtaking images with just a few clicks. No more staring at your screen like a clueless koala. With the right prompts, you'll be whipping up virtual wonders faster than you can say abracadabra. And here's the kicker, it's easier than getting a toddler to share their candy. Seriously, smoother than a salsa dancer on a polished floor. All it takes is a gentle nudge in the right direction, the right tools, and, of course, the magic ingredient, perfect prompts. That's where we swoop in like the superheroes of creativity. At PromptsWithin, we're the fairy godparents of the digital domain. Whether you're dreaming of mystical forests, high-tech cities, or perhaps just a towering taco, hey, we don't judge. We got the tricks up our sleeves to make it real. So if you're ready to amaze and maybe even elicit a few giggles along the way, you're in for a real treat. Stick with us and we'll reveal the secrets to snagging those prompts that will set your imagination ablaze. Let's dive in and create some digital magic together. It's bound to be an electrifying journey.
Audio Jungle. I just gotta check. Always gotta.
Okay, let's begin by discussing how you can get prompts that will create images like these using any AI tool. Whether it's Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or any AI tool you like, these prompts will make them in seconds. To get started, click the link in the description or on the first pinned comment below. You will be introduced to 250k prompts and styles, the AI artist's secret weapon. A game changer for anyone who wants to create mind-blowing art with the help of AI. The best part? These prompts are free. Their beauty is their universality. No matter what AI art tool you use, our prompts are designed to work with various platforms. To get access to these prompts, simply click any button that says free download. On the next page, enter your actual email address and click the Get Free Prompts Now button. Great, now we're getting closer. On this page, scroll down and click the download button. And holy smokes, buckle up because here's the kicker. You now wield the power of over 250,000 prompts at your fingertips, ready to conjure up any image you could possibly dream of. Are you feeling the excitement? Because I sure am. But wait, it gets even better. Dive into this treasure trove, and what do you discover? A cornucopia of prompts tailored to fulfill every creative whim you've ever had. Can you believe it? The possibilities are absolutely endless. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more tips, tricks, creative prompts, and inspiration. We're here to support you on your artistic journey every step of the way. So, until next time, keep creating and let your imagination run wild with PromptsWithin. Together, let's paint the world with our creativity.